The turn-on fuse switch warning in Hyundai or Kia vehicles, especially EVs and PHEVs, indicates that the high-voltage battery fuse switch is off. This switch is a safety mechanism that disconnects power during maintenance or emergencies. The warning prevents the vehicle from starting or charging and can be triggered accidentally during maintenance, towing, minor impacts, electrical faults, or even software glitches. This warning is more common in early 2020s models, but has been largely mitigated by recalls and software updates. However, some persist without the latest firmware. First, ensure the vehicle is off, parked on a flat surface, and the key is removed for safety. Next, locate the battery pack, typically under the rear seat or in the cargo area. Open the fuse box cover, using a screwdriver if it's secured with clips or screws. Inside, find the fuse switch lever, often red or labeled HV battery. If the lever is in the off position, flip it to the on position. Close the cover, start the vehicle, and check the dashboard for any remaining error codes. You'll typically need just a screwdriver and flashlight. If the warning persists or you're not comfortable doing this, visit a dealer for diagnostics, as it could indicate more serious issues.